welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you two different ways to restyle your t-shirts for summer. For the first one, take a t-shirt and lay its backside up. Draw a V shape like so and cut it out. Next, cut a slit approximately at the middle of the shirt like so. Now enter a notebook or any other object through the slit. Next, take the strip of a cloth from any cutout and slide it from the neck to the slit like so. Wrap the strip of cloth around it such that it forms a bow. Later, stick it in place using some fabric glue. A normal glue works as well. And that's it, you're done. Pair it with a denim shorts or some funky accessories to get going. For the next one, take a plain top. Crop it using a already cropped top as a guideline. I have the separation, so I did not use any crop top as a guideline. Now my top is 15 inches wide, so I mark 2 points, one at 3.5 inches and other at 11.5 inches. Repeat the same slightly above the previous one. Draw a line to connect these 2 points and then cut along these lines to form 2 slits. Now mark 5 points on the either side of each slit, which are 2 cm apart from each other. Make holes at the marked points using rounder or scissors. Pass a lace through the holes and tie a knot at the end. Do the same for the other side as well and you're done. I used a satin ribbon, but you can use whatever you want.